William, you had a pretty great start of the season. Like, how are you feeling into the opening weekend of Omloop Nieuwsblad?
Yeah, I feel pretty exciting. Looking forward, especially the first race of the season, Belgium Open Weekend, with this super nice atmosphere. Yeah, I'm just really excited. Looking forward to again race in Belgium.
Are you gonna try to have a good crack here, or is your focus more on Kuurne?
Yeah, I think today also it's we never know, it's gonna be happen totally different way of racing because of the wind, the weather, and yeah, if you see on the realistic, tomorrow is best chance for me, but today it's kind of like to test in which level I am for the upcoming races, for the Flanders and Gent-Wevelgem, stuff like this. I think this race is more kind of test, and I mean anyway I will try to go for a result.
And what about the wind factor you mentioned? Do you think it's going to be the main thing that's going to potentially change the race today? Or do you think also the new climbs, the additional climbs of the route is going to have a different outcome for the finish, for a potential sprint finish, or is going to be a different way of racing today?
I think from what I expect, it's for sure the wind is going to be a big role, and we will have also a small chance of rain. So that makes for sure that the race is more tough, more hard, because on the cobblestone anyway, if it's wet, it's super hard. The guys on the back, you need to step up to walk or to run. So that makes for sure the race is harder. But yeah, I think I will expect today the wind is going to be a big role.
And of course you also have new teammates for the Classic squad, and you also are in a new team. Like, how are things there with the new team? Are you happy with it?
Yeah, pretty happy. I think yeah, the results is already show up, how we are already connect each other, we know each other really well, and yeah, I'm just super happy, and the way we start the season together with the new team, the new teammate. I think the 2 victory we won is already something special, because we did a great teamwork, and that's just a super nice motivation for this race and again the upcoming races.
Great, thank you, good luck.